In this video, we will show you how to use the Stepcraft 420 to create your PCB board. It is important to wear goggles and ear muffs when operating the machines and observe all safety procedures. When in doubt, always approach the lecturer or TSO. First, secure your bare copper board onto the PCB milling machine. Make sure that the board is laid flat. Then tighten the butterfly screws. From the computer's desktop, launch the Stepcraft software. Turn the reset button clockwise to release it. On the Stepcraft software, click the reset button. Next, click Home All. The spindle will move to the home position, which is located at the top left corner. Wait for the spindle to reach and stop at the home position. When the spindle reached the home position, use the directional keys to move the spindle closer to the board. Position the drill bit near to the bottom right corner of the PCB board. This will be the starting position for the machine to start milling. Ensure there are sufficient gaps to the bottom right corner of the board for the machine to start the milling. After you position the drill bit to the starting position, click on the 0 buttons for the X-axis and Y-axis. Next, we will zero the Z-axis. Use the page up key to raise the spindle head higher to a safe height. Then, move the spindle head to the center of the board. Place the sensor tool on the center of the board. Use the page down key to slowly position the drill bit to the center of the sensor tool. Make sure the bit do not touch the sensor tool. Hold on to the sensor tool. Then click on Z-axis sensor button on the software. The drill bit will automatically move down and touch the sensor tool, and then it move back up. Raise the spindle head using the page up key. When the drill bit is at a safe height, move the sensor tool away from the board. Now, let's load a G-code file into the software. Click on Load File and select the appropriate file. Then you will see the PCB drawing. Slide down the switch to turn on the spindle. It is very important to remember to turn on the spindle before milling. Click on Cycle Start to start milling process. The machine will start milling the PCB board. For your safety, please keep a distance from the drill bit during the PCB milling process. Once again, make sure you have put on your safety goggles and ear muff. When milling completes, turn off the spindle head. Then move the spindle head up and away from the board to a safe location. Press the E-stop button to immobilize the machine. Use the vacuum cleaner to clean off the dust on the board and surrounding area. Remove the PCB from the machine. Congratulations! You have fabricated your PCB.